Guys, now you are watching me. I am MD Mumtaz sir. So that's why today I am going to teach you how to write small letters in English word. So that's why don't try to be upset and watching me. Today I am going to how to start small letters about ABCD. Okay, so start now. See here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's why, guys, see here about English small letter. Here, repeat again. See here how to learn, how to read about small letters. Okay, start here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's why, guys, learn about like this and try to be practice how to write small letters about ABCD in English. Okay, guys, see you next video.